Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Harbor Freight 4th of July sale. Says four days. Sorry, I got confused there. Too many fours. Four days only. Thursday, July 4th through Sunday, July 7th. So you got all the long weekends to buy your. Oh my God. Alright, I'll answer back later. We got 4 days only. It says from July 4th through all the way to Sunday, July 7th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, 2 deals. Yep, we do have a 25% off coupon here. I'll see if I can zoom in for you guys. Let's see here if I can get it the right way. Alright, that seems to be just as best as I can get it. I'll see if I can just take a quick snapshot and post it at the end of the video so you guys could have it. And you guys feel free to take a screenshot of this or a picture on the computer so you guys could have that and use it. Yeah. So we got 25% off, pretty much including or excluding all the regular brands. So this is mostly like a 20% off. So you could use this 20% off and this 25% off in the same transaction. You're just going to get different discounts for, these are 2 different coupons. So you guys could see is 536161676, and then you got 53201188. So it does exclude just about the same. The only difference is the 5%. It's more 5% more on this one. But yeah. Next thing you have is the free light. We always have that. It's a great light. Always have it anywhere, everywhere. Like in each car, I have like 2 or 3 of these. In each closet, where I can't see. At the entrances, in case the lights goes out, black out everything. Anyways, heavy duty foldable aluminum sports chair, $19.99. You got the 12 feet, 18 bulb. Socket outdoor string lights, black or white, just under $20. You got a 3 by 5 feet American flag with embroidered stars, $6.99. You got a 21-gallon oil lube air compressor, $159.99. You got the 20-gallon oil lube air compressor, $169.99. You got this 588 tactical flashlight, just under $10. This is great, by the way. It does have like a little. You can pull this out, I guess, and you can zoom in or zoom out on the lights. So it's pretty nice, and it's 588 lumens, so it's a very powerful light. 40 by 72 moving blanket, $3.99. These are great for if you have a tire, you have to change a tire or something, and it's always great to have one of these in your truck, because if you're gonna be laying on the ground and you're going to a party or you're going to work or something like that, you don't want to be looking like a mechanic, and going to work. So these are always great to have in the car. 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $189.99. I do currently have a coupon for these for $169.99, and it's for the blue, black, and red only. If you guys shoot me an email to head147@gmail.com, I can shoot you that coupon back, and if you need it. So you got the 250 lumen pop-up lantern for just under $5. 8-inch cable ties, $149. These are great, guys. 3/8 by 25 feet industrial grade rubber hose. Yeah, these black ones are nice. Does the Diablo under $10, not bad. 7-amp pole saw, just under $60. Another great deal there. These are great. I do have it. Latex coated work gloves, $149.99 or $1.49. Yeah, I use these throughout my kitchen remodel. I gotta say, these gloves are nice. They'll protect your hands from all the splinters. I mean, the wood splinter and the nails, anything that's sharp. It'll protect your hands real well. V-shape hang all, 149. You get the 5-inch jumbo aluminum hook, 99 cents. It says save now with coupons below. Generator, you got a Predator generator beats Honda. Which one's this one? This one's the 8,500, 7,000 watts running. 549, and this is one of the biggest ones they got. 390 lumens magnetic slim bar. I was just using this right now on the back of my backyard, because I have a big backyard and it's real dark. So I was using this, $24.99. I use this thing for I use this light for everything. If I gotta do a remodel and I gotta stay overnight and finish it up, I use this. If I gotta do an inspection at work, well, now my light is not pretty, so I gotta go and go to Harbor Freight and buy another one. Mine has it's scratched and it has some white paint on that from the painting project. You got 600 pound capacity. I have this one, works great. I gotta try this one. I mean, I don't do a lot of mechanic work, but every now and then I'll just do like a tire rotation or brake job or something. So I would like to have something like that, just to have, for emergencies or because I need to do a big job. 12 volts lithium coreless 3/8 extreme torque ratchet kit. This does have 4.5 stars, so it's pretty good. Not really a fan of these, but it just depends on you. But yeah, I'm not really a fan. I just like to choose my own tools, buy my own, sets, socket sets, wrench sets, So that's just the way I am. 12-inch dual bevel sling compound miter saw, $179.99. Yeah, these are nice. These are definitely nice. Got a lot of features in them. You can't get a better jack than the jacks from Harbor Freight, especially for the price, the value. So any of these jacks, whatever goes on sale, usually it's it's pretty much the best jacket you could ever get for the money. So $79.99 for that. 10-inch by 20 car canopy, just under $100. 11 by 18 feet reflective duty tarp, $18.99. You got a unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder, $649. You got heavy duty batteries. These are not really heavy duty batteries. These are lighter duty batteries. $199. Usually we get this as a free coupon, so you can imagine how heavy duty they are. 23 feet out of feed handheld electric drain cleaner, just under $100. I do have this one. It's taking me out of spending so much money calling a company and cleaning out my drains. As soon as I got a real old house. It's like 68, 70 years old. So every time something clogs up, I just bring this out and just put it back in there. Clean it out. 7-piece combination ratcheting wrenches. I do have this. Works good. 4 amp, 6 and 12 volt high frequency smart battery charger. $24.99. You got the 8-channel surveillance DVR with 4 HD cameras, mobile monitoring capability. $229.99. A 1/2 inch heavy duty extreme torque impact wrench. This is the one that's corded. $94.99. I have the one that's cordless with the battery. Works great. Got the multi-purpose workbench for $79.99. You get the 2,000 watt continuous, 4,000 watt peak power. $129. I got the 5,000 watts. I gotta say that one works real good. The only thing, it's not pure sine wave. It's a modified sine wave. You guys don't know what that is? It's modified sine wave. It's usually the cheaper versions of these. The ones that are a little dirtier energy. So if you want a cleaner energy, top of the line, something that's gonna run all your devices 100% all the time, get a pure sine wave inverter. These, however, these are pretty cheap. These are pretty low cost. They'll get you the job done. If you got an emergency blackout situation, if you're out there want to power a drill or a table saw or something, this will turn it on, no problem. But yeah, for you RV guys, and they're planning to use this in the long run, you can use this as a backup, but definitely consider a pure sine wave inverter. single speed multifunction power tool. I do have a solar system. That's why I know a lot about all these devices. Single speed multifunction power tool, $13.99. 6-inch bimetal reciprocating saw, $6.99. Don't expect these to last forever. You know, a few cuts, they're done. I just buy. I just go to Home Depot and just buy Milwaukee or Diablo, or like the other day I bought Craftsman. I haven't used them yet, but well, I used one, but you know I had to replace it quick. But I'll see if I can do a review on those blades, on those Craftsman blades. But yeah, these are okay. If you want to just do a couple cuts and nothing major, not all the time, not professional. 9x72 steel loading ramps, $39.99. 5x7 feet, $249. Tarp. Got a 5-inch Orbital palm sander, $24.99. This is a new item, so a newer item, by the way. Mobile miter saw stand, just under $100. Alright guys, that's it for today. Like I said, just you guys could use this coupon. Just be careful where you use it. I do have videos where I have 5 items that you can use this coupon with. So watch those videos. I'll see if I can link them up above. If not, then just put 2 head 147, 25 items that I could get with 25% off, and my videos will pop up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And later on today, I will be uploading a tool review. Well, it's going to be mostly like a tool unboxing video of the inflator. So check that out. It's going to be uploaded later today. It's going to be, I believe, 3:30 Central Time. So 3:30 p.m. Central Time. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.